Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover and wireless module. Removal: remove the USB board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the battery. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the USB board ZIF connector and disconnect the USB board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the two 2mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the USB board to the base enclosure. Lift the left edge of the USB board off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and slide the external connectors out of the cutouts in the base enclosure. Place the USB board into a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the USB board from the static dissipative bag. Tow the external connectors on the USB board into the cutouts in the base enclosure and lower it onto the alignment pins on the base enclosure. Replace the two 2mm P0 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the USB board to the base enclosure. Insert the USB board ribbon cable into the USB board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Apply pressure to the length of the USB board ribbon cable to adhere it to the battery.